In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the daily budget in Google Ads. Whether you are a small business owner trying to maximize your online presence or a seasoned advertiser navigating the intricate world of Google Ads, adjusting your budget effectively can be a powerful tool to optimize your ad spend and control costs. So let's dive right in and make sure you are fully equipped to make these changes smoothly. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. Simply type in the URL or click on a saved bookmark to take you there quickly. Once you've arrived, your next step is to sign into your Google Ads account. This is accomplished by clicking on the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Make sure you have your account credentials handy, your email and your password, as you will need to enter these to access your account dashboard. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. Familiarize yourself with this dashboard if you haven't already, as knowing your way around it can significantly enhance your ability to manage your campaigns efficiently. From the homepage, locate the Campaigns tab at the top of the screen. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a page that lists all your current ad campaigns. It's here that you have the opportunity to review your ongoing campaigns and choose which one you'd like to modify. Once you're on the campaigns page, select the campaign whose budget you'd like to adjust. It's as simple as clicking on the campaign's name. This action will open a detailed view of the chosen campaign, where you'll be able to make the necessary changes. With your campaign details on display, look for the Edit button. It's generally found somewhere at the top of the campaign information. Clicking on Edit will open a range of options you can adjust for your chosen campaign. Among those options, you'll see Change Budgets. This is where the magic happens. Click on Change Budgets to bring up the budget settings for your campaign. In the settings, you can modify the daily budget. Carefully consider the budget amount you input here, as it directly impacts how much you spend each day on your ads. Type in the new daily budget amount that aligns with your current advertising strategy and financial plans. And there you have it. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. Your daily budget is now updated and you can go forward with confidence, knowing you have more control over your advertising expenditure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in managing your Google Ads campaign budgets.